Fine. So let's continue now. We are going to start with the structure topic here. Then let's take a example. First example. What is the structure here? Structure. Before I start the structure, you need to remember the concept of array. So just tell me what is the definition of the array. Can anybody tell me what is the definition of the array here? Yes. Tell me what is the array? Collection of similar data type allocating memory continuously. Very good. That's right. Collection of similar data type allocating memory continuously. That's true. Okay. So here new and create this. Suppose this is your array here. So you have array integer of ARR of 5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is your array where I can store the integer values. Remember this. Where I can store the integer values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and name of this memory is ARR. So you can store 5 numbers in this array: 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. My question is that suppose this is the roll number of the student, but I have a 10 students. Roll number is there, name is there, suppose Ganesh, and percentage is there 99. 102 is there, then we have Mahesh here, and percentage there 98.9. Okay. So this is one record, this is second record. I have another person 103. Okay, Rakesh suppose, and percentage 88.8. So this is integer value, this one is the string value, and this is the float value. So I have these values here. Okay, so this is one record. You can take 3 variables, 1, 2, 3. But suppose I want to store the student details of 100 student details. If I want to store the 100 student detail, so how many variables are required? Here we are taking 3 variable for this, 6 variable, 9 variable, 12 variable, 15 variable, 18 variable, 21 variable. Like this, suppose even if you want to store the record of the 30 students, take example 30 students, 10 students, you need a 30 variables, 30 variables. Everybody, you understood this calculation? Suppose, as I said, integer roll number 1, okay, name 1, okay, after this name 1, after that percentage 1, same thing, comma, roll number 2, okay, name 2 here, 10, then percentage 2, then again roll number 3, okay, then name 3, data type you can change. But here you need to declare the 30 variables of different type. This is the integer type, this is the character type, and this one is the float type. Same R2 here, R3 here, same thing you can implement over here. NM1, NM2 of 10, NM3 of 10. Okay, and here you need a percentage 1, percentage 2, percentage 3. This is just for 3 students. You need to declare the data 3 like 9 variables over here. But instead of this, if I have a mechanism where I can declare only 3 variables, one roll number, one name, and one percentage, and I can use this for all 30 students. Tell me which approach will be better, the first one or second one? 30 variables or 3 variables? Obviously second, correct. So now how to implement this approach? So this is possible with the help of structure only. So I will create the structure here. Take an example, student. Okay, this is called as user defined data type. User defined data type. Till now you have completed all predefined data types. These are the predefined data types. These all are the predefined data types. Here I am going to tell you the user defined data types. The structure is your own data type, and you can declare this inside this here in a bracket. Add the data type here, integer roll number, then character name, and percentage float. Okay, so here is your structure here. So I created my own type. Name of the data type is student, where I can store 3 values. But how to allocate a memory for this? जसं तुम्ही लिहितात integer roll number equal to 10, तसं म्हणजे याच्यात एकच व्हॅल्यू स्टोअर होणार आहे, बरोबर आहे. सो आय विल क्रिएट अ स्ट्रक्चर student and here is the stud is my variable. सो या एका व्हेरिएबल मध्ये मी 3 व्हॅल्यू स्टोअर करणार आहे, एक इंटिजर, एक स्ट्रिंग आणि एक फ्लोट. म्हणजेच दिस वन व्हेरिएबल इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ डिफरंट डेटा टाइप. कलेक्शन ऑफ डिफरंट डेटा टाइप. सो हा जो व्हेरिएबल आहे, in this variable I will store one integer, I will store one string, I will store one float. So the definition becomes collection of different data type. Here is the definition, collection of similar data type. If you take the array, collection of similar type. This is a collection of only integer. Here only integer. But here I can store one integer, one string and one float, means 3 values. You are getting the definition of the structure. Please reply. Structure is a collection of different data type where you can store different type of data together under the one roof or one name. याचा मला फायदा काय असतो लक्षात घ्या. जेवढं मी तुम्हाला आता सी प्रोग्रामिंग स्ट्रॉंग करेल, तेवढं मला डेटा स्ट्रक्चर सोपं जाईल शिकवायला. बघा, सी आय टेल यू फ्रँकली, तुम्हाला जर स्ट्रक्चर कळलं ना, मला सी प्लस प्लस लगेच सुरू करता येतं. तुम्हाला स्ट्रक्चर कळलं, मला लिंक लिस्ट शिकवता येतं. तुम्हाला स्ट्रक्चर कळलं, मला स्टॅक ॲरे क्यू शिकवता येतं. लक्षात घ्या, जर तुम्हाला हेच माहिती नसेल तर मला पहिले मागे जावं लागेल. अंडरस्टूड? सो ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड. म्हणून कधी पण शिकताना एक फ्लो असतो. इफ यू नो दिस स्ट्रक्चर व्हॉट म्हणजे आता जे तुम्हाला डोक्यात बसलं ना ते फिक्स आहे. ओके, एकदा तुम्हाला जे फिक्स झालं ना, तो दिस इज ऑलवेज यू कॅन रिमेंबर विथ द डिफरंट टेक्नॉलॉजीज. कारण की लक्षात घ्या एक की यु नो वेन एव्हर एनी न्यू टेक्नॉलॉजी इज कमिंग, ते टेक्नॉलॉजी काय पूर्णपणे चेंज नाही करत आहे. दॅट टेक्नॉलॉजी इज लाईक अ चेंजिंग सम पार्ट ऑफ द प्रिव्हियस टेक्नॉलॉजी and encapsulating it with the simple way. That's it. So, but the structure is a very old technology because OOPS concept is started on the basis of the structure only. आता मला CPP शिकवताना खूप सोपं जाईल जेव्हा मी तुम्हाला रेफरन्स देईन स्ट्रक्चरचा. Okay, so here is the structure which is a collection of the different data types. Let's understand with the help of example. Here. Okay, so let's understand structure. So here is the student. Here I'll write the integer roll number, character, student name, and here float, percentage. These 3 different data types are there. Allocate memory, structure, student, stud. Okay, let's add some value. How to access this data? Now I'll tell you the memory for this one. How the memory is allocated here. So the memory is allocated. This is one memory. This memory has the roll number. This memory has the name. This memory has the percentage. And name for this memory is stud. Name of this memory. Please note down this for your reference. Name of this memory is a stud. First of all, draw this structure and below that write down this line. Okay, just draw this structure in your notebook. Okay, in your notebook, please write down this code. Below this, you just mention this line. Okay, this line after this, and here you can just write down stud dot roll number is equal to stud dot roll number is equal to 101. Student name is equal to, but string you cannot copy using equal to. What should I do? Tell me. String you cannot copy using equal to. What should I do? Tell me. Yeah, that's true, right? Okay, correct. So here I will type strcpy, string copy, strcpy, copy to the stud dot, sorry, not this one, strcpy stud dot s name, comma, suppose here is the Ganesh, and the last one is stud dot percentage is equal to 99.99. ओके, याचा अर्थ काय की स्टुडंट एक मेमरी आहे, त्या मेमरीच्या रोल नंबर मध्ये ही व्हॅल्यू ऍड करा. बघा इकडे, लुक ॲट दिस. स्टुडंट इज वन व्हेरिएबल. ओके, इनसाइड दिस व्हेरिएबल there is a one memory with the name RNO. You can assign the value. Which value is right now? 101. 101 is assigned here. Then second line is student.name equal to Ganesh. So here you can add the name of Ganesh to this one. Okay, and then percentage equal to 99. So here you can add the percentage 99. Understood everyone? Please reply. म्हणजे स्टुडंटच्या रोल नंबरला 101 द्या, स्टुडंटच्या नेमला हे व्हॅल्यू द्या, स्टुडंटच्या पर्सेंटेजला हे व्हॅल्यू द्या. And to print this, printf slash n roll number is percent d, comma student dot roll number. Printf name is equal to percent s, comma student dot next is a name. Printf percentage is equal to percent f, comma student dot percentage, like this. So here is the, save this in the memory, student structure student, actually struct student dot c. Look at this. Compile the code and run this code. Roll number, name and percentage. Look at this, roll number, name and percentage. Example कळलं का सगळ्यांना? Please reply. How I declare the structure here. This is the way you can declare the structure. याला म्हणतात स्वतःचा डेटा टाइप तयार झाला, user defined type. Clear how to assign the values and display the values. Okay, so here as I told you, this is the structure you can declare here. Then you can put the values here and you can display the value. So let's take another example of the structure. Save as. Okay, structure student2 dot c. That is the syntax here. Okay, Pallavi, once again I'll tell you the structure main function मध्ये declare केलं तर नाही, ते बघा कसं असतं, तुम्ही लँग्वेजचा सिंटॅक्स फॉलो करायचा असतो. सो स्ट्रक्चर मेन मध्ये डिक्लेअर नाही करत आपण. पहिला मुद्दा युवराज, दॅट इज रॉंग. देयर इज अ सिंटॅक्स. फर्स्ट यू नीड टू डिक्लेअर द स्ट्रक्चर. क्लिअर? ठीक आहे. नंतर सेकंड पॉइंट पल्लवी, व्हॉट इज अ स्टूड? स्टूड इज द मेमरी विच विल पॉइंट टू दिस एरिया. Stud is a memory. Here is the diagram. Look at the diagram here. This stud which will point to this memory, and this memory has three data types. Understood? There means nothing but the structure has a different data type. Understood? Pallavi, structure has a different data type. These three data types are under one name. Clear? कळलं का पल्लवी? हे तीन जे नेम आहेत ना, त्या तिघांना मी नाव दिलं इथे स्टूड, आणि त्या स्टूड ने आपण ऍक्सेस केलं रोल नंबर, नेम and a percentage. So let's add another example here. Student2 dot this. I want this data from the user. So here we'll remove this code. Printf, enter the roll number, scanf, %d, comma, ampersand, student dot roll number, the first value into student dot roll number. Printf enter your name. Scanf %s student dot name is the name, and printf enter the percentage. So here scanf %f comma ampersand student dot percentage. So accept roll number, accept name and percentage. Okay, let's run the application, compile a code, run this code, enter the roll number, enter the name, enter the percentage. So this is the data. हे समजलं सगळ्यांना? एवढं कळलं असेल तर म्हणजे 50% स्ट्रक्चर तर लगेच क्लिअर होतं. एवढं समजलं तर 50% स्ट्रक्चर इज ऑलमोस्ट क्लिअर. इफ यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टँड दिस कन्सेप्ट. Okay, this is for only one student, right? Now, if somebody said I want for multiple students, so this is a student 1, I can allocate one more memory, student 2. So enter roll number for student 1, then enter the name for student 1, percentage for student 1, and here is a student 1 roll number, student 1 name, and student 1 percentage. Similarly, I want a data for one more student. So here I will copy this and paste. So 2 memories are allocated here. So the diagram, this diagram, you can check now. Here you will get 2 memories. This is another memory. The name of this memory is student 1. This is called as the student 2. Again, this memory has same structure. Here you have roll number, you have name, you have percentage. Okay. Now we'll draw the proper diagram. 1 second. So this is the first memory. This is second memory. In the first memory we have roll number, we have name, we have percentage. Also I have the same thing here, roll number, name, and a percentage here. Okay, so the name of this memory is the student 1 here. This memory is the student 2. So means I got the same memory how many times? 2 times. So go to the program, enter roll number, first value in student 1 dot roll number, student 1 dot name, student 1 dot percentage. This is for student 2, student 2 dot roll number, student 2 dot name, and this is student 2 dot percentage. This is your student 1 data, student 1, student 1, student 1, and another one is here printf ration okay, and similarly we go for this one. Yes, Shubham, we'll do that. Don't worry. Step by step, we'll implement everything. Just wait. I know your questions are right. Okay, your questions are very genuine. No problem. Okay, but we'll do that step by step. Okay. Right now, this is just only. Let's understand the concept of structure first of all, and then we'll implement loop and other things. Okay. So this is the first student. This is second student. They insert the data for first student. Insert the data for the second student. Display data for first student and display data for the second student. Okay, display data for the second student. Compile the code and then run this code. Enter student 101. Shubham. Spelling Shubha हो गया ठीक है. Percentage is this. Okay, second is 102. Gaurav. Percentage 100. Okay, so this is the data here. 101 and 102. Clear? So everyone, this is clear, right? So today, what you have to do, first of all, you are going to create two applications. Application one is accept student roll number, comma name, comma marks for 3 subjects. Calculate the total and percentage. Calculate the total and percentage. And display the mark sheet using structure. Using structure. Second is accept employee ID, name and salary. Calculate PF, HRA, PA and gross salary. Display the salary. Okay, using structure. Create the details for 2 employees. So this is your question today. You have to complete the same question. Only you need to declare the marks. You need to declare the percentage. Let's see how you are implementing that. You have to calculate the total of 3 subjects, percentage, and display the data. Can you able to complete these 2 examples today using structure? You can create for n number. Okay, you can create for only one student. This is for only one student and 2 employees. One student, and here I want 2 employees. That's it. Clear? PF is a provident fund. We already implemented this in the basic examples. Okay, the formula to calculate the PF is equal to basic salary into 0.05 or something like this. Okay, then HRA is equal to basic salary into 0.06 or 4, and then PA is equal to basic salary into 0.03, and then calculate gross salary is equal to basic salary plus HRA plus PA and minus PF. This is the formula to calculate the final salary. Okay, so this is the first question, this is the second question. So just complete these 2 examples today, and remaining will continue tomorrow. Okay, but I have one more assignment for you. You have completed the strings right now. Strings, okay, length program. Then even few programs are for homework. I will check that also. Then second is the uppercase, lowercase. Then what I told you, the next example, reverse and palindrome. So strings using a pointer. This is the one self-study. Let's see how many of you are able to complete this. Strings using a pointer. Let's see how many of you are able to solve this. These 5 programs using a pointer. Okay, so don't worry. I will give you some time, and let's see how many of you are able to solve this. So why I am giving you this type of challenges? Because to improve your confidence. Remember. So this type of challenges will definitely improve your confidence. Okay. At least try. That is very important. If not possible, I am here to help you. Don't worry. Clear? Okay. So these programs even all the programs of string using pointers if possible. Okay. Guys, so I'll stop here and just complete these two examples using structure today and continue tomorrow evening. Okay.